Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to go back with B&D Chronicles, starring your host, Beamer, Dawn, with their two boys, Tyler and Bradley. Together, and with their two children, this dynamic duo make up what is known as B&D Chronicles. So as they're out and about, just peeping around, you never know who these two might even run into. It could be Graham, it could be aliens, it could even be this guy. It could even be this lovely couple right here. So strap yourselves in, make yourself comfortable, and get ready to go back with B&D Chronicles.
Hey everybody, we are finally all back. Well, most of us. But that's what today's video is about.
I never left, just saying.
No. Just we had a lot of videos, well, my Texas videos where you weren't in it. Until the end.
I technically didn't leave though.
And he didn't either. And I've already been back for over 2 months now, so like I said in the update, which you already watched, which I want to thank all of you guys for watching it and all the comments and everything. I want to thank you guys very, very much. But today, subject matter is reuniting our entire immediate family. He's going to be here soon. We're in Portland. By the title, you should be already able to tell what's going on. So, my mom's going to be here. We're going to be hanging out for a couple hours. I think she said they have a pool in here. That's why I brought the GoPro. That's what I used to time-lapse down the road at the beginning of the video. So, 3, 2, 1. You guys ready to see Brad? It's been a while. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you've gotten so tall.
Yeah, I missed you.
Missed you too. Oh, thank you.
He's back! Oh my gosh, he's back!
Hi.
Did you have a good time?
Yes.
Say hi to everybody.
Hi.
We've got quite a few new subscribers since you last were here.
Ooh.
And of course, Bubby's here as well. My mom. That's what they call her. And Papa as well. He's back in Texas. But we're here at the Days Inn right near the Portland airport. And I think we're going to go out for some dinner, hang out with my mom for a couple hours. And we might be able to swim. I don't know. I did bring the GoPro just in case. So you glad to be back?
Yes. I'm really used to the Maine weather, but not the Texas weather.
The Texas heat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so real quick, I already told you guys in the update what was going on and what she's been going through, so I'm going to let her take it away.
Nashville is not the place to break your RV down. We had to get it towed back to Memphis, and so if it's done by the end of the week, we'll go back to Memphis, rent a car, go back to Memphis so we don't have to tow a car, and continue our trip up to Maine, because we really want to see Maine, the changing of the fall leaves to the fall leaves.
You should
and
be
stuff.
back up by Fair Week, I think, right?
Yeah, that's our plan. That's the loose plan. Hopefully it'll go like we want it.
Yeah.
You know, and during it we're trying to keep the channel's motto to stay safe, to stay strong and to stay positive because we've had, it's kind of disheartening.
With that
to
also
me.
being said, they are starting a channel, or have you already started filming, right?
We've already started filming.
Ah.
I have a channel, but it's only been for presentations I've uploaded. So,
Okay.
um,
So as soon as we get the information, we will link a description. There will be a
Yeah,
permanent link in our
think
description.
something about like the J&K show because we already have a radio program that we
Yeah.
do in California, and we're kind of mesh and merge them. Do a little video
Cool.
with them too.
So she's here. We're going to hang out, and we'll be right back. So also forgot to mention that tomorrow, not only does he and him, well, he goes back, but he starts school. She goes back and actually starts school. What classes are you going to be taking, baby? Do you want to film in on that? Well, you're setting up his.
I will be taking Piano 1, U.S. History 1, 21st Century Musics, Project 2, which is required for my music major, and art.
So while she sets up his DS, and then we'll get going. We'll just kind of do a quick overview of her little room. Actually, it's a nice little landing. You can walk right over. There's the bed. It looks like a king size bed. And a vanity, bathroom, toilet. Ooh, it's deep. Holy cow. And that in case you need somebody to vent to. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? That looks really cool. Look at this.
It's on
TV,
Fred.
microwave,
Hold on to
a Magic Chef. That's good.
He got it in his
Whoa.
snack.
I think they probably once had that over in here, maybe. So yeah, all in all, just a 2-story, nice, quick. There's a Chili's over there. She's staying at the Days Inn. And of course, they're fooling around. Why not?
Around, I'm loving these pillows.
Nice pillows.
Driven down the road a little bit to Friendly's, and I've talked about this. I haven't been here since I was a kid, so let's go inside and see what they got. We go through different places with Friendly's ice cream. One of the videos that we did last year during the storm, Dinos and International Ice Cream Day. This is where they're from, and when I was a kid, this is actually something that we used to get, the Monster Mash, when I lived in New Jersey. Is that what you're gonna get, Brad?
Yes.
You think you're gonna get the Monster Mash?
Yeah.
What are you gonna eat before that, though?
I'm gonna eat that.
You're gonna get the 3 mini cheeseburgers. Awesome. Deliciously fun. And very friendly. View of the menu.
And then this Philly cheesesteak.
You got your specials, your starters. Sorry for the glare, guys.
And then they have
Deliciously
nuts
fun
and honey
burgers.
Yeah.
Double burgers. Sides. Even some super melts.
What?
Their regular sandwiches. Check it out. Looks great. You can have your entrees as well. Looks really, really
peanut
good.
butter.
Fresh choices. Of course, their drinks. Strawberry Fribble. I remember my grandfather used to get that every time we went there. Of course, they also have senior meals as well. So, I haven't actually eaten in a Friendly since I was about Tyler's age, maybe a little bit older, maybe 15 or 16, when we moved back to Texas. And I used to get off the kids menu and stuff like that. So I've never actually ordered off the adult menus. So I'll put you guys up and I'll show you what I'm getting here in a minute. So I got the honey barbecue stacker sandwich. And my mom got the same thing. Sourdough Parmesan burger. Brad got chicken. Tyler got the Philly cheesesteak with french fries. I think we all got fries, except they got onion rings. So we'll chow down and let you know what we think. And then we have dessert. I ate and it was absolutely amazing. And now we're looking at deliciously fun ice cream. So here we have the deliciously fun signatures. I'm gonna be getting the Jim Dandy. That's the one that my grandmother used to get. My grandfather used to get the strawberry fribble. And of course they have the specialty sundaes there. They have floats as well. You can also do the creations where you select your style, select your flavor, and select your topping. My mom got the Hunka Chunka PB Fudge. This guy got the Monster Mash, which we will show you here in a second. 3, 2, 1. Ha! That's the Monster Mash. Look at it.
Look at the cherry.
Yeah.
They played it as a
That's
nose.
His nose, his ears are
His
Reese's
his
peanut
hair.
butter cups?
His hair is
Yeah.
whipped cream.
Gonna take
Yeah.
pictures.
This is what my mom got. Eller. Baby Ken's got the strawberry shortcake. And I got Jim Dandy to the rescue. Jim Dandy to the... So now that we are done here at Friendly's, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they also have a drive-thru, we are now off back to the hotel, and Alright, so we're done taking a quick swim. Now we're headed home. And we're going to end it with Graham because Graham just got home. Or at least she should be. Unless the aliens abduct her.
Oh no, not those darn aliens.
So we'll see Mom in 2 weeks. 2 weeks time.
Yep.
Till then, she's going to have to stay safe, stay strong, stay positive. But we got to get on the road. So we'll see you when we get back home. Who's that? Oh my god. What is that? It's stumbling in the dark. Move back, Brad. I think it's a... Oh, it's just Graham. Well, I thought it was an alien. Alright, guys.
Long time no see.
We're home. We'll see you guys later.
Stay safe, stay strong, and stay positive.
Bye.